Hello folks, we started the miscellaneous exercise of this chapter, and this is our part 1 video. Here of course we'll have a mixture of all the concepts that we have studied throughout the chapter. So let's take the problem one by one. The first question says that there are these 3 points A, B and C. It's actually a quadrilateral, no, it's actually a parallelogram. Yeah, it's a parallelogram whose 3 vertices are given. They ask us to find the 4th vertex. You can do it in a number of ways, and the most cumbersome way is by doing by distance formula. It's most cumbersome. The best way of doing it is by taking the diagonal and taking the midpoint of the diagonal and proceeding like that. That works much better. The solving also will be easy. So we will see now how we can place these coordinates. C here, -1, 1, 2. Then we can have B 1, 2, -4. Then you can have this A 3, -1, 2, and this is the place where you're going to have your D, right? So this is your quadrilateral. We also join the diagonals so that we get the point of intersection. So let points A, B, C and D be as shown in the figure. Right. And for our safety, let's get the coordinate D. H, K, R be the 4th vertex. 4th vertex of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, we know that O is a midpoint of BD and AC, right? So with that in mind, from AC we'll have coordinates of O. Why? Because it's a midpoint. So you just have to add up the coordinates, divide x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2. That's all. So we have -1 plus 3 by 2, 1 -1 by 2, 2 plus 2 by 2. So this is like 2 by 2, 1. This is like 0. And this is like 4 by 2, 2. Right. Now what happens if you consider in BD, right? Suppose if you're considering BD, you know coordinates of O, you know coordinates of B, but you don't know coordinates of D. So let's write coordinates of O can be found out how, because you know the coordinates. This is, we have assumed it as HKR. So H plus 1 by 2, then K plus 2 by 2, R minus 4 by 2, and on the side we have already found it, so it's 1, 0 and 2. So H plus 1 by 2, K plus 2 by 2, R minus 4 by 2, which is worth comparing. X with X, Y with Y, Z with Z. So H plus 1 is 2, H is 2 minus 1, 1. Then K plus 2, 0 is getting dumped, K becomes -2. Then R minus 4 is 4, so R is 4 plus 4, 8. So what we have, therefore the required coordinate is 1, -2 and 8. That's it. That's about the required coordinate. Now we can take the second problem. In the second problem, they tell us that there is a triangle with the 3 vertices that's given to us. We are supposed to be finding the length of their medians. So let's have it drawn. They are all in different planes actually. No, different axes. They are on axis. let triangle ABC be as shown in the figure and AD, BE, CG be its medians. Right, median divides the opposite side into equal parts, so you know that D is the midpoint, so you can find the coordinate of D, you can find out the coordinate of E, you can find the coordinate of G, and after having found out their coordinates we can get the lengths. The question is to find the length of the medians, so we can do it that way. So let's have first coordinate of D. How much is that? So it's like midpoint, so 0 plus 6 by 2, 4 plus 0 by 2 and 0 plus 0 by 2, so 6 by 2 3, 4 by 2 2, 0, 3 2 0, and the length of AD now. Length of AD by distance formula, so this is 3 2 0, so it's going to be root of 3 minus 0 the whole squared plus 2 minus 0 the whole squared, 0 minus 6 the whole squared, so it will be 3 squared, 2 squared, 6 squared. How much is that? 6 plus 4 plus 36, 3 squared is 9, so it's root 49, which is 7 units. Right, then we can come up to the next one, coordinate of E. Coordinates of E, that is midpoint between A and C, so it's like 6 by 2, then 0 by 2, again 6 by 2, so that's like 303, so we can find the length of BE, that is root of 3 squared plus 4 squared minus 4 squared, but it will be 4 squared, again 3 squared, if you want you can write minus 4 squared, so it's like 9, 16, 9, 16 and 9, it's 25 and 9, 34 units, root of 24 units. Now next, coordinates of G, again midpoints, so what is it? 0 plus 0 by 2, then 4 by 2, 6 by 2, so it's like 0, 2 and 3, therefore length of CG. So it is root of 6 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared, so it's like 36 plus 4 plus 9, so 49, oh same, root 49 is 7 lengths. So those are the 3 lengths. First length is this, then the next length is this, and the next length is this. So those are the 3 lengths of the medians that they have asked for. Now we can take up the third problem, which says that the centroid for the 3 triangles is the origin, but the triangle coordinate is not like complete. There are unknowns. We are supposed to find the coordinates. That's how it is. So centroid, we all know that the formula, it's an extension of midpoint formula, that a triangle with coordinates x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3 will have the centroid as x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and so on. So that we will just write, just understand that suppose say A has coordinate x1, y1, z1 and B has coordinate x2, y2, z2 and C has coordinate x3, y3, z3. Then the centroid is a place where all the medians are meeting. Generally it is indicated by G. So the coordinates of the centroid is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 and z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. This is just for your understanding. You can start with the third problem. Yeah, just for your understanding and revival of what we have done earlier. Third problem, it says that there is a triangle PQR. So this is our triangle. And the centroids. Is the origin. Okay, we can assume that PA, QB and RC are the medians, and Q is a centroid. So let P, Q, R be as shown in the figure, and medians PA, QB and RC meet at O, the origin. Those coordinates we know, so 0, 0, 0. Right. So coordinates of the centroid is equal to, so we'll take up all this, 2a minus 4 plus 8 by 3, then 2 plus 3b plus 14 by 3, then 6 minus 10 plus 2c also by 3. So let's check, and on this side it's 0, 0, 0 because it's the origin. Then we can have it compared. So comparing 2a minus 4 plus 8 is 4, that is 0. Then 3b plus 16 by 3 is 0, and 2c minus 4 is also 0. So these 3's are getting dumped, just kick it on the other side, gets dumped. So you have 2a plus 4 equal to 0, 3b plus 16 equal to 0, and 2c minus 4 equal to 0. So what are we getting? A is minus 4 by 2, which is minus 2. Then 3b is minus 16, b is minus 16 by 3. 2c is 4, c is 4 by 2, which is 2. So those are the values, minus 2, minus 16 by 3 and 2. That's it. That's how we get the values. So we're done with that. There are 3 more problems left that probably we'll be taking in the next video. Thank you.